right, big day. Special day today for me. It's my birthday. And I got a package in the mail I've been waiting for. So we're gonna go open it up. It's from USAMM.com. Get some wind noise. Of course it's gonna be windy. Go to the backyard here, get some better light. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Hopefully, that's exactly what I ordered. Moment of truth. Oh, this is sweet. This is my ribbon set. I got two of them. One of them is off to the right, and one of them centered. And that is sweet. Hand shaking a little bit. Happy birthday to me. 200 bucks for $100 each, but it's worth it. It's gonna go on my ASUs, and one's gonna go in the shadow box. So this company here again is USAMM.com. I guess I recommend them. Actually, I do recommend them. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out.